I did my PhD at Johns Hopkins and went to University of Maryland, Baltimore County as a postdoc. I had a lot of friends who were going from postdoc to postdoc or trying to chase professorships. And I just thought to myself, I can't do this. I had gone to RPI as an undergraduate. All my friends who were engineers were getting married, getting their kids, getting their little picket fence. And I was still making almost nothing. So I thought to myself, I have to get a job where I can actually put some money in the bank. So I went to government. I went to the Patent and Trademark Office as an examiner. I was one of the first class of 9 people who were going strictly to then what was group 1800, but became group 1600 now. So there were 9 of us who were starting in the life sciences group. It was becoming very big, and they needed some expertise, and they were pulling in assistant professors, other PhDs, and people with experience in the field. I went to law school while I was at the USPTO. I was lucky enough at the time that I went to law school, the USPTO was still helping you pay for tuition. I think they've gone back to that, but it kind of petered out as I was going through law school. After law school, I clerked at the Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit for Judge Bryson for 2 years. Big plug for Judge Bryson. He's like the most amazing, intelligent man I've ever met. So that was a joy. Went to a law firm for a little bit, and it just really wasn't working out for me. I had a small child, the hours, and so the board called and said, do you want to come to the board? Because I still knew people at USPTO, and I said, sure, and ended up at the board. Originally did everything that the board did, and then the AIA trials came along, and started in that, and I love them. I really enjoyed the inter parties practice. I enjoyed the briefing. I enjoyed the arguments, and have focused on those type of proceedings ever since. But I also do other PTAB proceedings as well, including re-exams and reissues and other things.